Greetings, Call of Dragons players. Are you tired of the endless grind for gems in Call of Dragons? You're in luck. In this video, I'll reveal the secret method how to get incredible amount of gems for free using this amazing Call of Dragons hack. This guide works perfect on both Android and iOS mobile devices. I've tested it myself, and it functions with no problem. The resources delivered straight to my account. Want to see how it's done? Tune into this video for a complete step-by-step walkthrough. Let's get started. First, ensure your game is up to date with the latest version. To do this, go to the App Store and check for any available updates. Next, open your preferred web browser and head over to this page. As you can see, this website hosts many hacks for mobile apps and games, each offering incredible features. However, let's stay focused on the topic of our guide. Search for Call of Dragons and just click on it. You can use the search bar located at the top of the page to find it quickly. On this page, choose your platform and enter your username. Next, click the Connect button and wait a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this mod is completely safe and undetectable, so your account will remain secure. Once you confirm your selection, the website will begin injecting the mod. The duration of this process may vary depending on your internet speed and device performance. In most cases, you'll receive a confirmation message at the end letting you know that the app has been successfully integrated into your device and is ready for use. However, there may be one final step remaining, depending on your device model and operating system, but usually you just need to verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this hack. No need to be concerned. The final step is simple and fast. Additionally, a video tutorial will assist you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip it from this point and come back once it's done my verification. All right, I'm back. It only took a few minutes, which I believe is quite reasonable and definitely worth it. Once you've finished all the required steps, the entire process will be complete and you'll receive your resources. Now simply launch the game and enjoy your unlimited resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. Thanks for watching. Have fun and see you in the next video.